How to download and log in to WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to install and use WhatsApp, what you're gonna do is first of all go to Play Store, then search WhatsApp. After you do that, tap on install and wait for some time until the app is installed. After WhatsApp is installed, tap on open. Now tap on agree and continue. After you do that, you can either allow WhatsApp to send notifications or don't allow. Now after you do that, over here you can select your country, then just below it you can select your phone number, then tap on continue. Now you can either allow access to contacts and media or skip it, then allow WhatsApp to access music and audio, then access photo and video. After you do that, you will successfully be logged into your WhatsApp. Then you can restore your data or transfer chats and other like from your old phone, or you can skip restoring it. After you do that, enter your name and your photo. After you are verified, your setup will be completed. So this is how you can install and set up WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.